Hello, my name is Tunga and I'm second grade. Art interests the most. I like to blend colors. My favorite colors are red, blue, yellow and green. These are primary colors. A mix of yellow and red makes orange, another beautiful color. I always look forward to art class in school. We can draw anything, but I draw superheroes. After drawing, call my drawing and show my teacher. I'm so happy when I get 100 in my art tests. Here are some examples of my work.
Hi, I am Ella. I am also in second grade. Art is my hobby. I draw at school, at home, or anywhere I sit long enough to bring out my color pencil and paper. Here are some of my drawings.
Hi, my name is Daphne. Like Tunga and